Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off Wi-Fi in notification bar using your iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. In your home screen, just drag down the notification bar and find the Wi-Fi sign. And if you find it, just press it until it becomes blue to enable. And now your Wi-Fi is already turned on. And if you want to turn it off, just press again the Wi-Fi sign to disable. And now we have successfully turned on and off your Wi-Fi in notification bar using your iPhone X. And if you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.